Hey everyone, Jason here, aspiring entrepreneur, getting ready for another fun-filled day of copywriting, client work, and YouTube ads. But first, I have a little surprise to open. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So just to give you a little bit of background, Canva recently started a certified content creators program or certified Canva creators program. It's one of those two, it's probably the second one. And they essentially sent me an email saying, hey, we like your YouTube videos and we want you to be a brand ambassador. And what was interesting, the reason that I actually accepted was, number one, they were going to give me a bunch of cool free stuff. I didn't actually know that they were going to send me a box though. And then number two, it's a software that I actually use. And I'll get into why that's kind of really important to me in a little bit here. But first, let's go ahead and open it up and check out what we got. This is cool. I see a bunch of the YouTube channels my wife does, like they do unboxing videos from like the piles and piles of free stuff they get all the time. So I thought, hey, this is the first time. Well, actually, Unbound Merino gave me a free shirt. So you got to start somewhere though, right? So we got this little thing. There's CC Creator Manifesto, which is pretty cool. Then we have a tote bag, which yeah, I don't know. I use a backpack. Give it to my wife or something. I don't understand tote bags. I'm sorry, guys. I just don't. Got a free water bottle. This will be good because for the gym or something. And then we have a t-shirt, which hopefully fits. No, I will not be putting it on right now, but I'll put it on in another video or something. Okay, fine. I'll put it on. There. I put it on. And finally, we have a notebook. I think it's a notebook. I really should be looking at the camera so I can tell that you guys can see it. And a notebook for drawing with no lines. They think I'm a lot more creative than I actually am, but I'll figure out how to use this. So that's pretty cool. Free t-shirt, a tote bag, and a water bottle and notebook. Pretty freaking cool. And so the reason I thought to make today's vlog about this cool box of stuff was, number one, to just share kind of a small win for you. It's really cool when a large company kind of reaches out and says, hey, we actually like the stuff you do and we recognize you as an actual content creator or influencer. And then number two, if you want to do any sort of promotions like this, obviously this is a lot of money to send out to the hundreds if not thousands of people that they did this for, right? They obviously had a huge marketing budget and they wanted to get a lot of buzz around their new redesign of Canva. But the other thing too is, even if you're reaching out to smaller creators, is one of the reasons that Canva was actually able to get through to me was because they didn't start by saying, hey, we want you to do a bunch of free stuff for us, which is the common messaging I get a lot when I get unsolicited emails or content requests. So there are a lot of small little companies out there that just keep sending people like me emails saying, hey, be an affiliate, like you can just make a video about our stuff. And that's, as a video creator, like these things take a lot of time and effort, right? So why on earth would I take my time for free to make a video about someone else's company, about some product that I've never heard of? So if you're working on a product or a service, try and figure out how can you add value to that influencer, that creator, and then ask for it. Or just straight up pay them. Like the Kicksta.co company, they paid for a promoted video and I had no problem with that because they actually had a good product and they were willing to put up the dollars to actually create a video and get it syndicated out. And of course that included some ad spend or whatever, because I don't want to just make a video and then get paid and do no promotion on their behalf. So hopefully that's helpful to you. And even if you don't have a product or service and you're not just sending a bunch of free stuff around trying to get it on a vlog or a video, you can always find ways to add value to other creators or influencers if you want to do a collaboration. And I'm gonna take this off because it's getting really hot. Whew, okay, much better. So moral of the story, if you want a creator influencer to promote your product, or you're looking for a creator or influencer to collaborate with, look how you can add value first, or ask them if they do paid promotions like Kicksta. So Canva, they made sure to add value first by upgrading my account for free and then sending me some cool stuff so I can make a video about it, like free promotion for them, right? Or number two, like Kicksta.co, where they said, hey, do you have promoted videos and what is the pricing and what do we get for that promoted video? So I'd say those are the two ways to really break out and break through all the other emails like little creators like me are getting. Just imagine how many, I can't imagine how many emails like large influencers get. I mean, I get at least 3 or 4 a week, which doesn't sound like a lot, but 3 or 4 a week is a lot more than 0 like I was getting a few months ago. And with that, it's about 8 a.m. here, so I have to sign off for today because I have a ton of new client work to do, which is good. Yay, client work. It was funny. I was talking to someone the other day and he was asking how things were going. I said, oh, we just got a new client, so it's really busy. And he kind of laughed. He said, you know, most people complain. And it's really interesting because when you're at a job and you get a new client, you just complain because you have more work. But when you're an entrepreneur or business owner, you get a new client, you're happy because you have more work, and that means the business is growing and you're getting paid. So it's just interesting to see how the exact same situation can be seen as a big negative or a big positive, just depending upon how you view the world and where you are in the driver's seat in terms of being an employee versus, you know, being a entrepreneur or business owner. So with that, I'm going to sign off before I start rambling again because it's early in the morning. I have all this energy. I'm ready to go. So time to write some YouTube ads and dive into Google Analytics. So until the next vlog, keep building the business you love.